Let's consider the cubic polynomial p of x equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a does not equal 0, with zeros alpha, beta, and gamma. So in other words, p of alpha is equal to 0, p of beta is equal to 0, and p of gamma is equal to 0. Now, similar to the quadratic polynomial, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0 can be reduced to the monic equation x cubed plus b on a x squared plus c on a x plus d on a equals 0. And of course, the solution to both of these equations is alpha, beta, and gamma. Now, since they are zeros of p of x and also roots of the polynomial equation p of x equals 0, we could say x cubed plus b on a x squared plus c on a x plus d on a is identical to x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta multiplied by x minus gamma. Now, expanding the right-hand side, we have x cubed plus b on a x squared plus c on a x plus d on a is identical to, now I've skipped a few steps here, but the final result is x cubed minus alpha plus beta plus gamma in brackets multiplied by x squared, so that's the coefficient of x squared, plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma in brackets multiplied by x, so this is the coefficient of x minus the constant term alpha beta gamma. Now, equating the coefficients, right, we have b on a, so this is the coefficient of x squared on the left-hand side. So this one equates with the coefficient of x squared on the right-hand side, so negative alpha plus beta plus gamma, obviously in brackets. So b on a is equal to negative alpha plus beta plus gamma, expanding the brackets. We have negative b on a, so obviously moving the negative over to the other side. Negative b on a is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. So this is the sum of the zeros one at a time, is negative b on a. So it's similar to the quadratic, except you have 3 roots instead of 2 roots, or 3 zeros instead of 2 zeros. Now, c on a is equal to alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. So this is the sum of zeros 2 at a time. So you can see that it's every combination of 2 roots out of the 3. And then you have d on a is equal to negative alpha beta gamma. So if we multiply both sides by -1, we have negative d on a is equal to alpha beta gamma, and this is the product of the zeros.